Pinin kasam tarik ulber arajar apoi ki MLA jong kaseng Congress ki lawan ban aimin CMA ki nohi kai kontrak ki basong sya thangan hamadan malki ban persya ek jing le men thi jong ka Sorkar halor ka jing dawa ka jong ki habai ekren bekilat pathai khuboru MLA jong ka Mausin Ram constituency uba HM Shangpliang ulong bekini ki nohi kai ki dek platbit ban hi kai namar ki lahi kai bon snem bat Lada kim ibet ban hi kai bale ka government ka thungkam nohi kai ki hagitu ki por Bawlong ru ba don kinoi kai lahi kai hadu shpo bat khat san snem Lada weng kam no yaki shaei shuh kindang leit wat kam.
As legislators from the Congress party, we are all here today to be part of, to come and see all these teachers' friends who are under hunger strike. Indeed, it is a very sad note to see that so many teachers are undergoing hunger strike. These are the teachers who were appointed on contractual basis by the government, and now suddenly they find themselves on the streets. They've been removed or rather dismissed from the service. Therefore, these teachers are demanding their rights. They are here demanding their rights to be re-employed by the government. They may have failed the MTET exams, we understand, but there are ways and means, we guess, and possibilities for the government to find out alternative ways of engaging these teachers who have put in about 10 to 15 years of service. Now, this 10 to 15 years of service is a big service and a big experience which they have in their hands. Therefore, the government cannot just throw them away and say that we don't need you anymore. Now, these teachers already have a lot of experience in their hands. Therefore, we appeal to the government to accommodate them in whatever vacancies that are available throughout the state. We can understand we cannot demand accommodation in one district, but all these teachers can be spread out and can be accommodated in other districts as well. This is a serious matter. As legislators from the Congress party, we are going to raise this issue very strongly in the floor of the House from Monday onwards. We are going to demand the government that on a humanitarian ground, the government should accept the demands of these teachers and they should be re-employed and accommodated again in the vacancies. We should understand that at this juncture, when there are a lot of vacancies in schools, there are a lot of vacancies in various rural areas. Even in my constituencies, there are still a lot of vacancies because there were MTET teachers who have even failed in their personal interviews. Now, who will go and fill their gaps? Therefore, government should again review, the government should analyze the vacancies and then accordingly they should place such people again back into the vacancies as well.